Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 17th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned about CSS selectors. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add an image to your HTML document. So, let's get started. Okay guys, images are defined with image tag, which does not have a closing tag. Alright, the image tag has two main attributes. As you can see here, there are two main attributes. Okay, the source attribute and the alt attribute. Alright, the source attribute specifies the URL of the image, and the alt attribute provides a text for the image in case it doesn't display for some reasons. Alright, let's add an image to our document. Alright, as you can see here, the document is blank, it has no image, it only has text. Alright, to add an image here, you have to move or save the image in the folder where you save your file, your HTML file. Alright, now the image is here. My image is freedom and the extension is .jpg. Your image extension might be different from mine. It might be PNG, GIF, and so on. Alright, now I will add my image by providing the name plus the extension. Okay, now my image is within the folder where I save my page. In the source attribute here, I will say freedom.jpg. Let me save it. Refresh. Yeah, you can see my image has been shown here. But the problem now, the image is too large. Alright, the image is too large. You can see. Alright, to make it smaller, I will add the width attribute here. So I will say width 400. Save it, refresh. Yeah, you can see now the image is smaller than it was before. Let me say 450. Right, 450. Refresh. Now I will put alt attribute. Let me say Malcolm X quote. So in case the image doesn't show for some reason, maybe it could be network reason or any other reason, this alt attribute will be displayed instead of image. So let me remove this image here. So the browser will know that the image doesn't exist, but the alt attribute exists. So it will display this. Let me refresh. You can see now, because the image is not there, it has displayed the alt attribute, the text that we put in the alt attribute. Alright, let me bring back our image. Okay, right, now what if the image is in a different folder within our root directory? So let me create a folder. I will name it images. Okay, I will move my image to this images folder. You know, when you are working on a big project, the images are in a separate folder. Alright, so my image is here now. Let me refresh. You see, the image is not there. Although the name is written here, it doesn't show here because now it doesn't know where the image is. So to let it know where the image is, we say images, the folder where we saved our image, and then / plus the name of our image, and then save it, refresh. You can see our image is back. Alright, what if we want to add an image from an external website like Google? Let me go to Google. I already opened this image here. I went to Google Images. Alright, you can use any image from any website, and then here I will not download the image. What I will do, I will say copy image address. Alright, copy image address. So here I will put this address in our source attribute. All right. Okay, save it. Let me refresh my page. You can see this image here has been displayed on our page. It's because we copied the address here and pasted it in our document. All right, let me remove this and save it. Okay, now guys, you have learned how to add an image to your document. You see, this document has nothing new in it. Everything here has been taught to you. All right, everything here. I taught everything here. Now we are using internal style sheet, not external. Internal style sheet. All right, we have all this. We learned them. Okay, guys. In the next tutorial, I will teach you HTML forms. So I will see you there.